Hi guys, in today's video we are going to make a video call using the Azure Communication Services. So far we have seen how to make a call to a PSTN or directly a phone number, right? Then we saw how to make a VoIP call, voice over IP call now, and we are going to see how to make a video call, okay? So the steps will be similar to what we have been doing so far, right? So we will go to the directory add-on video call, one-on-one video call, right? So this is about one video call between one user to another one, right? So commands they have given over here is somehow not working for me. So this is the command that we have, right? Extracted from the document, and this document is this one, this document, right? Okay, so what I will do is I will quickly go to the folder over here, right? And I will open the command prompt. Let me close the garbage. This is garbage, not garbage. Okay. So I just give the command over here. While it install, there is a next command also. Let me copy the this one. Okay. And then let it run. So meanwhile, it is getting executed, or we are installing the MPN packages, what we have done for the previous videos also, for all the videos like PSTN or the wipe. Okay, so all the three commands or the npm packages has been installed. Now what we will do is we will run this command, which will nothing but build, do a build and run the service in 8080. Okay, so this is what we have seen. So let me open and run it over here, and once I think it's still doing a build, right? Webpack, yeah, it is doing a build or creating a bundle package. So meanwhile it is going on. We'll wait for a few seconds. Let me do a pause. Okay, so we are getting something called unable to locate blah blah blah. I think there is a typo. Okay, so what we will do is we'll go to webpack. I think this is where it is mentioned. Okay, so HTML, HT. Okay, control save. So this is a issue in the GitHub code, right? What we will do is we will run it again so that the new compiled package will have the proper HTML over here. Okay, anyway, so I will pause again, I guess, till the time it's build. Or is it build done? Oh, it is done, I think. So let me just refresh and check. No, not yet. Let me pause the video. Oh no, it is built, right? Refresh again. Yeah, it is built. Okay, so what we will do is we will make a video call between from here to my mobile phone, right? And is it started? Yeah, it is started. It's over here, right? So what I will do is first we'll go over here as your communication service. So this is the ID which we are going to call, and we are going to log in with this ID into the mobile. Okay, so let's make a copy of this ID, and then we will send this ID to my mobile. Okay, so this is the ID, and the URL will be the same that we used. So this is the ngrok URL, which is running on 8080, just to verify if it is working fine or not. Yeah, it is working fine. So let me send this URL. So what we will do is in the mobile, we will log in to this URL using this token, access token, which means that I have logged in as a user, this thing. Okay. It does not have the name, but yeah, you get the crunch. So let me send this one. Okay. So it will be bot.kumar@gmail.com. Yeah, it's me. Okay, so it has been sent, and let's see if we have received in the mobile. Yeah, we have received. So let me log in to first. Let me copy this token. Uh, okay, copy and open this URL. Let me zoom a little bit and paste the token and do initialize. Now what it do, it will allow microphone and video both. Okay, so now I have logged in over there, so let me little bit zoom so that can we, yeah, okay. Oh no, it doesn't matter. Okay, so let it be like this. Now what I will do is we will create another user, this one, and I will logged in from that over here and initialize call agent. So this will validate the token. Okay. And once we get a start call, okay, what I will do is the token which we logged in, right? So this is logged in to mobile. I will paste it over here and keep my, where is the other screen? This one over here. So what we will see is we should get a start call over here. So let me just click start call over here, and we should receive the accept call. Okay, so I got the accept call. I will tap over there, and you will see that I have connected to the video call. So hi guys, this is the echo we are getting. Sorry for the mess in the background, but yeah, kindly adjust. So yeah, this is a video call. We have connected from one device to another device. This is two different user, right? This is one another different, and the logged in user is different, which is like this one. Let me first hang up the call. This one. Did we hang up? Yeah, we have hung up the call. Okay. Did I show you properly? Oh, sorry. I'm just calling again just to make sure that I have recorded this because I thought I got confused over there. Okay, just for that. And then stop, hang up over there, hung up from the mobile. Okay, so now we have seen how to connect a video call. Over here, have used two different user ID. This is logged in ID as this one, and similarly for the other one, this is the one which we have logged into the mobile, and when we make a start call, it makes a video call over there. Hopefully you find this video useful, and do like and subscribe. Thank you.